Hello everyone and welcome again to EWTA. First of all, thank you so much for your great ratings. That encourages me a lot. Today I got a 5-star review on my second course from one of my students in which he was saying that he made a 58% return in a single day by selling Nifty as he adopted one of my trading strategies. I was really glad to see his review and ultimately got an idea of making a live analysis on Nifty 50. Because Nifty is not a single stock, it is an index made up of 50 blue chip companies, and every movement in Nifty always has a big impact on those stocks' movement. So, in this live analysis, today we will analyze the chart of Nifty and try to predict the future movement of Nifty on long term as well as short term basis. First of all, we will analyze the weekly chart of Nifty to see the long term movement of Nifty. This is the weekly chart of Nifty, and as you can see, Nifty is in uptrend and it is respecting its 200 week moving average every time. Let me zoom in the chart. Now see, this was the last ultimate buying point of Nifty when prices retrace up to the extent of this 200 week moving average. Here, this was our last swing, and if we apply the Fibonacci grid to this swing, this way we can clearly see that Nifty retraced up to the level of 0.50 of Fibonacci grid. We'll mark this level. Let's see. Nifty exactly touched this level, 50% retracement, and then capture its uptrend. Now we will interchange the points of Fibonacci level and we'll see the resistance and support levels for Nifty. Now see, this is 1.618 resistance level of Fibonacci, and currently Nifty is moving above this level. We'll mark this level. This is 10,303 level and Nifty is moving above this level. So this is acting as a strong support level for Nifty on long term basis. Now we will analyze the daily chart of Nifty. This is the daily chart of Nifty and this was our consolidation phase up to the 0.50 level of Fibonacci grid. Here we can easily see that Nifty is in uptrend and here Nifty made a cup and handle pattern. This is a continuation pattern, so after the breakout of this level, Nifty gains its uptrend. Now we will draw a uptrend line for Nifty. We just joined the two initial points of Nifty and we can see this is the trend line for Nifty. This is the uptrend line. Now we will apply the 50, 100 and 200 day moving average to know TIZ for Nifty. Here we can clearly see that Nifty is respecting its 100 day moving average. This red line is the 100 period moving average. So Nifty is respecting its 100 day moving average, and this 100 day moving average is moving parallel to the trend line. So the TIZ of Nifty is 100 period moving average, and we will buy Nifty when it will touch the trend line or this 100 day moving average. Now we will analyze the current position of Nifty. For this we will zoom in the chart. This was the last retracement for Nifty. So if we draw the downtrend line for this retracement, this was the downtrend line, and after a breakout on this downtrend line, Nifty made a up move up to the level of 11,175. Now Nifty is in retracement phase. So if we apply the Fibonacci grid to this level to see the support levels for Nifty, we can see currently Nifty is taking support on 0.38 level of Fibonacci, and the next support level is 10,600 level. That is also a 50-day moving average. So we expect a retracement up to this level, that is 10,621 level. This is the 50-day moving average level, and this was a post-budget impact on Nifty that was announced on 1st February. This is 1st February, and after the announcement of budget by Indian government, Nifty fell down up to 38% level of Fibonacci grid in just 2 days. These are the two candles, 2-day candles, and Nifty had retraced up to the 0.38 level of Fibonacci because it was an impact of budget. But here is one most important question, that is this retracement only a post budget result or we were already getting any signal of retracement on charts. To find out the answer, we will choose the hourly time frame now. So we will set the chart on hourly time frame. See, this is hourly chart of Nifty, and now we will draw a uptrend line for Nifty for short term trend. This is the uptrend line of Nifty, and here we can clearly see that Nifty crossed down this uptrend line of hourly chart. This was the short term trend, and also we are getting signal here of retracement when 21 period moving average crosses down 50 period moving average. Here we get a signal of selling. So we are getting a buy signal here and we are getting a exit signal here. Also, if we apply the RSI and MACD to this chart, we can see that MACD and RSI both were giving a negative divergence on Nifty because prices are going up, but RSI and MACD both are giving a negative signal here. So we were getting a lot of signal here to exit from a long position. Also, if we notice here, Nifty is making head and shoulder pattern that is sloping down. So when Nifty opens gap down below this neckline, we get a reversal signal of uptrend. So there were a lot of signals that were telling us about the reversal of the short term trend, and this is the real benefit of knowing the art of technical analysis. As I told earlier in the course that market never crashes without giving any signal in advance. And if we have a deep knowledge of technical analysis, we can surely make profit in stock market. Well, for Nifty, a level of 100-day moving average is very good buying opportunity, but we can see a bounce back on 50-day moving average, that is a level of 10,625. That is also a 50% Fibonacci grid level. So one can buy here by executing a stop loss just below that level. But the ultimate buying point of Nifty is 100-day moving average. That is also the trend line for the Nifty. Thanks for watching the lecture.